Learn how to print a large number of documents. PDFs, Word and Excel files, images, photos, drawings and others without opening each one of them. Open Print Conductor. Drag and drop your files onto the program's main window. Also, you can add files or RAR or zip archives by clicking Add Documents button. Or add an entire folder with documents. You can sort the files in print queue, by name, type, size, etc. Select a printer that you want to use. Let's apply some settings to all our files. You can specify the number of copies, type of collation, cover and report pages. You may also set paper size, page orientation, duplex and color mode, and other parameters. Click OK. Looks like we are good to go. Now hit the Start Printing button. The print job has begun. Job's done. Now take the printouts from the printer tray. These are the core features of Print Conductor. Batch print dozens of files in just 3 mouse clicks. The program supports over 70 file formats. It works with any modern printer, local, network or virtual. We provide professional customer support. If you want to set up the program to your needs, just contact us. We offer flexible licensing options for different companies as well as discounts for non-commercial and educational institutions. Our printing software is free for non-commercial purposes. Try it out for your business. Download the latest version of Print Conductor from our website.